Welcome back, dear friends. In this video we are discuss about polar coordinate system in AutoCAD. So what is polar coordinate system? So already we know that axis. Already we are discussing about the axis x minus and y minus. So this is called coordinate system. But in this coordinate system we are using the angle. It means in the x-axis this direction is 0 degree. In y-axis this direction is a 90 degree, and x minus this direction is 180 degree, and in the downwards y minus is 270 degree. So in this polar method we are using the angle and find out the points. Okay, so this is called polar coordinate system. This point are located to draw a line by the defining the distance of the point from the current position and the angle made to the line. The format of the polar coordinate system are @ symbol, distance, less than symbol and angle. For example, so this is my origin point. I want to find out the first point. So this distance is 30. So the format of polar coordinate system, how we go to enter in AutoCAD, we use the @ symbol, then the distance is 30, so we mention the value 30, then less than symbol, the angle is, this angle is 0 degree, no? So we put 0 degree. So this is the format of polar coordinate system. Okay, so in this method you want to keep it in your mind this angles. So this is 0, this one is 90, this one is 180, this one is 270. In between we know no, this 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90 are starting from 90 like 180. This continues 360 degree we want to mark it out. So using polar coordinate system we create a one rectangle here. So the rectangle distance is x-axis is 60 and y-axis is 40. Another important thing we want to note it down, the starting point is 30, 50. So this is not like an 0, 0. So starting point is 30, 50. So next we directly open the AutoCAD and type the command line, or you type just L and enter. AutoCAD asking the specify the first point. So first point we know 30, 50. So directly we enter 30, 50. So this is always we are using the absolute coordinate system. So whenever you enter the first point, you don't forget, always we are using the absolute coordinate system. So without any symbol and all, you directly add the x, y values. Next AutoCAD asking specify next point. So this is first point we given, so we want to find out the next point. This is our next point. Here to here line is traveled. So this is distance is 60. So we know the 60. And also this angle we want to find out. Already we discussed this angle is 0. So it means the format of polar coordinate system, we using the @ symbol, distance, less than symbol and angle. So @ symbol, the distance is 60, the less than symbol, the angle is 0. So in here we type directly 0. So no need for the 0 and this degree symbol. This degree symbol no need. So you don't forget this degree symbol. You directly enter the digital values. Next, the second point. This is my third point. Second point is finished. So third point. So the third point, the distance is 40. The angle is 90 degree because this is the origin point. This also same like a relative coordinate system. The previous point is acting on a origin point. So start @ symbol. The distance is 40. Less than symbol. The angle is 90 degree. Okay. So again, this want to travel from third point to fourth point. Here you no need to use minus sign. Polar coordinate system we no need to use minus sign because we are using the angle. So 360 angle we have only plus values. So no need to use minus values. So 3 to 4, the point number 3 to 4, the angle is 180 degree. You consider this is our origin point. So line traveling from here to here. So this is 180 degree. It means @ 60 is the distance, less than symbol, and the angle is 180 degree. Same like the fourth one. So this is origin point, the line 1 to downwards. So downward means the 270 degree. So distance is 40. So we mention at the rate 40 less than symbol, the distance is 270. And you type C and enter, we get this rectangle. So now we go to open the AutoCAD software and then we enter the all values. Then we check our method is correct or not. Now I open AutoCAD 2022. As per our discussion, now I go to create the rectangle. So starting point we know 30, 50. So that's why I give L, I press L and enter. So AutoCAD asking the first point, I give the first point 30, 50 and enter. And again AutoCAD asking next point. So this is a polar coordinate system. That's why I use at the rate. The length is 60 less than symbol and angle is 0. Just enter. Again point number 3 at the rate. The distance is 40 less than symbol. The angle is 90. Okay. Another point at the rate. Again the distance is 60 less than symbol. That angle is 180. So here we have the two options. Just you press C and enter. Otherwise you give the values. So now I give the value at the rate 40 less than, the angle is 270 and enter. So still the cursor is still the AutoCAD is asking me for the next point. So here I want to close it. So that's why just I press again on enter. So now the process is finished. Okay. So I think you understand this one. I hope you understand the polar coordinate system method. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next class.